Are you ever an angry mama, Mama Shock?
Angry mama. Once in a while, mama gets angry.
Yeah, exactly. I can say the same thing. Look at these angry mama. Angry mama. You want to guess what this is?
No.
You don't want to guess?
Pacifier?
I don't need a pacifier.
For angry mama. Angry baby pacifier.
I think a bottle of wine is an angry mama pacifier. No, check these out. Angry mama, I saw these. It's a microwave and refrigerator cleaner. Let's open this up together.
Okay, let's do it.
I saw it on, where it said, Angry Mama, see? Angry Mama steams up.
Oh.
She gets hot.
Hot mama.
I'm just gonna throw the garbage on the floor for now.
Come this way, so she have an angry face.
Look at this. This is hilarious to me. Here.
Yeah.
All right, so one of them is for baking soda for the fridge. And one of them is for water. Oh, this is the baking soda one. I don't know. Anyways, one's for baking soda and one's for water. And you steam the water in the microwave, and instead of using chemicals, it just wipes off with a paper towel. We're gonna try it.
You know what? They say you put a cup of water.
I know, but
in
this is more fun.
Yeah. I would say that when you showed to me, I felt like this. I'm a girl from Cold War, yeah? During the Cold War. This is United States. This is Soviet Union right here.
Oh my gosh. Why does the United States have white hair? I mean, it's because we have all the wisdom.
Whatever.
That was a joke because we always make joke about wisdom.
I know, but this is
whatever.
Blonde hair.
It's white.
This is
no blonde. It's completely white.
This angry mama's hair doesn't go well. The hand is.
You have to change the face. Move the face.
Hand is on the way.
Oh my God! We gotta read the directions. My favorite part in life.
Here. Try, please. No, look how hair doesn't. No, Soviet hair goes well.
Oh, angry mama's covering her mouth. That's why.
Yes. She was covering her mouth.
And then we got Scrub Mommy. Have you ever seen this?
No. Somebody just making a
but listen,
advertisement. How that
this is not sponsored. This is just for fun. So it's scratch free, and it's a deep cleaning because you can stick your fingers in the eyes. See, there's holes for your fingers. You can put your
Somebody did a very good advertisement on this stuff.
It's dishwasher safe. Hold on, one more. And then there's a spot for your spoon. So it's multi-function.
Why do you need a spoon there?
You're supposed to have fun with this, not question the product.
Hold on. You have to feed with a soap, with the spoon. This is very harsh, mommy.
It's
very rough, mommy.
Here.
My hands are.
I don't know. It got really good reviews. I've never tried it.
What are you going to do? Stick your fingers in the face, in the eyes, and what?
No, you do it on the soft side, not the.
I know, but then with the hard part, you cannot do. This is like a styrofoam, but look like with the
Scrub Flip White.
This is a scratchy. Oh, believe it's a really will scratch off your skin.
It's not a body. It's not a body wash scrubber.
Yeah, it's a harsh mommy.
Is there no directions with this one?
This is an angry mommy.
Where's the angry mama? Oh. Instructions. Here we go.
So what do you have to do with this? Tell me, Scrub Mommy,
I
Daddy.
have no idea. I saw that people on TikTok were raving what a good sponge it is.
This is like a normal sponge, and this is a rough something glued together.
Oh, vinegar in water. This is the one for the microwave.
Ah, hot mommy.
You're supposed to put vinegar in water and lemon juice, or you can use essential oils, but don't overfill. Microwave the angry mama for 5 to 7 minutes. Then hot steam is supposed to come out of her head, making her angry.
I'm afraid that mommy will melt eventually in the microwave.
Oh, touch her arms because they stay cooler.
Oh.
This is the baking soda. She stays angry for 1 to 3 months. It's funny. It's a gimmicky funny.
Just the baking soda, that's it?
Yeah. You put lemon juice or vinegar, it's gonna volcano. She'll be a volcano mama. She has there's a slot for this.
Everything has a slot.
There.
They look like a slot. Angry slot.
Don't use this as a body scrub unless you need to take skin off.
Yeah, you can scrub your heels.
Don't use it in the sink after. That's so gross. It's another Amazon temptation find. What can I say?
Yeah.
My son's like, why aren't you using these, Mama? I said, because we need to make a reel out of it. This is too long for a reel. This is an IGTV which disappeared. There's no more IGTV.
We can make YouTube.
Yeah, let's do it.
Very nice YouTube. Against advertising this stuff.
Against advertising?
And you know what? I did not.
What do you mean against?
I meant that I disagreed, and I dislike the ideas.
This is a review, a non-sponsored review.
Non-sponsored review. That's the truth. And I reviewed, dear friends. Don't spend your money on this.
This I'm gonna try though, and I'll tell you.
Danny will try.
Oh, look,
try.
it fits.
Yeah.
It's like gears. That's right, because two angry mamas, they work together very well. I'm gonna give this a try. So it says vinegars up to a certain point. This fly wants to join our party.
Yeah.
I can't tell. Well, you can't see how far the vinegar goes.
So you have to put the vinegar and then what else, Tanya? Lemon juice?
Water.
But it says with the lemon juice?
No,
vinegar
you can.
Oh, you
This
can.
is optional.
Oh.
Add a squeeze of lemon juice or essence for a more pleasant odor.
Oh, okay. Because vinegar is killing germs, so...
We gotta lift the angry mamas. See, it's a little too much, but whatever. Angry mama's gonna go in my...
Now she will steam.
In my dirty microwave. She didn't want to put her wig on. But we have some spots. Okay, angry mama, do your job. Look, angry mama is getting hot and steamy. Oh, hot mama. Oh, she got... Oh, she's dripping. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to give this Amazon product review a thumbs down. It's good marketing.
It is.
She's not impressed.
I'm not in... No, I am not. I'm not impressed with this. It's really a joke. It's just for fun, probably. How much is it? I'm curious now.
I don't know. I have to look at the receipt. $3.99 or $4.99.
Okay. You can open a
Yes, I know that.
box of baking soda and put in your refrigerator.
She's no fun today.
No,
today
I'm
she's
not.
being very...
Take a cup of water with the vinegar and lemon juice and put it in your microwave.
I'm not going to show you new things anymore.
No, you can show it to me, but I'm just saying. No, it's interesting. I really
You're
like to
being
learn.
too practical, Mama Shark. Sometimes you have to...
I grew up in the Soviet Union under harsh regime.
What did you do to this angry mama? All right, thanks for joining us for our non-sponsored Amazon review. Have a great day.
Amazon will hate me.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.